be posting it on YouTube, the video, so. I'm doing Darkless at the moment. Well, this one has delay, so it goes slow. It kind of clicks, like it stops. Oh, it didn't do that noise it usually does. It'll usually go. I'll put that out so I'm aware of when it shuts. See, it does that weird, strange, like when the arm touches the body, it does that because it's got a loose arm, and it's slammed that time. That door that leads outside, that's got a bit of an effect on this one, because it kind of blows it open whilst it doesn't matter once it's open over here. It won't affect it when it's open here, but then when it starts latching speed, it slows it down sometimes when the wind blows too far through the doors. It didn't do the noise that time. It does creak on latch though, which is really... Yeah, you see? It does that noise. It doesn't do it all the time. Yeah, it likes to do that. I usually go through this door when I'm doing fruits, but I wanted to show you guys. The door wedge has gone missing, so I'll do this one more time from behind the door. That one goes exactly the same speed.